Hello, my friends. I'm John Mullen, the Energy Evangelist. This month, we're looking at savings over the Christmas period, and today we're talking about the most effective energy saving activities in your home or office. You may have heard all of these before, but a few people actually implement all of them. So the top 5 are: 1. Turn off all appliances instead of leaving them on standby. 2. Turn down your thermostat. 3. Install a smart thermostat. 4. Buy efficient appliances. And 5. Install a new boiler. So, a quick summary of the above. Number 1. Don't leave any appliance turned on unless it is needed for security or safety reasons. And remember, phones, laptops, and other devices with a transformer draw energy even if the appliance is turned off. 2. Almost half of your energy bills are created from heating rooms or heating water, so turn down your thermostat by 1 degree can reduce your heating bills by approximately 10%. 3. Smart thermostats can make your heating more efficient, but only warming the rooms you are using, or only switching on just before you arrive home. 4. Replacing a good appliance with a more energy-saving appliance won't save you much, but when you're changing, it can be worth the investment. A AAA fridge freezer will save you approximately £320 in energy bills over its lifetime compared to an A+ model. And 5. Upgrading your boiler to a new A-rated condensing boiler, thermostat and thermostatic radiator controls could save you £300 a year compared to an older G-rated boiler. I believe that's enough information for this year. So have a wonderful and blessed Christmas. And I'll speak to you again in the new year. I'm John Mullen, the Energy Evangelist. Come and find out how to save energy, save money at energyevangelist.co.uk. Bye.